Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you what to do if the face unlock isn't working for you in your LENOVO Tab One. So, at first we need to unlock our device using the passcode or just our symbol. Here, now, actually pattern, not symbol, but yeah, who cares. Now, if you are in the home screen, what I do recommend doing at first is to take any microfiber cloth, like this one for example, and here clean the camera, because your face ID, yes, your face unlock works using the camera, which is over here at the top, and if it's dirty, if it's oily or something like that, or it's just maybe broken or something like that, your face unlock won't work, because it works using the camera and only camera without any LiDAR sensors or something like that. After this type of cleaning, your tablet should be working now and your face unlock should work. But what if it doesn't? Wait a moment. If it doesn't, we have to go straight to the system settings over here. Wait a moment. And register our face. So here, straight from here, you have to tap on biometrics and passwords and tap facial recognition. Here we have to confirm our pattern, and even though it's set up, we can tap enable wrist to wake for a better experience in facial recognition, which I don't recommend, and here we can tap add. And yes, here if we won't record our face, we will have to tap these things once again. So we have to just focus on our face, our tablet. We have to focus our tablet on our face, and here tap done. Here we can turn on unlocking with mask, and here this was very popular 5 years ago. You know why. But now don't really think that someone will use that, so we can tap cancel. But if you do have some problems with with your, how to say that, if you have some problems with your face unlock, you have to have it enabled, because it may just make this process more possible. And now here, lock your tablet and try to unlock it. As you can see, mine is unlocked. That's how it works. Apart from that, well, some maybe tip for you is that you have to ensure the good lighting during setup and use for your tablet. And here's why actually. Here, as you can see, if I turn off all my lights and maybe increase my brightness, if I lock my tablet now and try to unlock it, it will work, because here I do have my monitor which shows me some things. But here, without this light, the face unlock won't work, because our tablet works only using the camera, not, as I said earlier, LiDAR or something like that. And this won't work. This is a process that require a good lighting setup and use. So yes, you have to, maybe if you're outside it will work, but if you're during the night and you're sleeping, maybe not sleeping, you're just laying on the bed and you want to record, you have to face unlock your tablet, it won't work. You have to make some light, or just maybe increase the brightness level of your tablet to the maximum, of course. Now, apart from this, we can go back to the main menu of the settings, and from the main menu of the settings, wait a moment, I need to go back here to the main menu of the settings. We have to scroll down all the way to the about tablet. Here tap system update, and now we should see, if you do have here any update for yourself, please update your tablet, because you can fix the camera bugs, different camera bugs, or just camera bugs. And yes, this is very common issue on the Android tablets, on just electronic devices, that producers just release some quick patch fixes or something like that, just to ensure the best experience. If they do release some version and maybe just a little bit broken, and as you can see here, they have not 17.0.0.0, here we have 17.0.10.069. So yes, we can now we know that this issue was some issues were being fixed. And actually that's it for this video. If your face unlock now works, please leave a like and subscribe to my video. It's very important to us to have your feedback, so if you leave your opinion in the comment section down below. And actually, as I said, that's it for this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.